And I noticed the partnership also includes service, spare parts, remote diagnostics. Important do you think those are in terms of supporting machinery and uptime in packaging operations?
Our understanding is our customer at the end wants uptime. Yeah, when he is really sure to himself, when it's not a big deal who is the producer or which machine it is. Yes, he needs a solution that runs properly, not only one time, continuously, 24/7. And this is our focus. We sell uptime to our customers, and we keep this uptime. And this is something, and I must talk here for the GroupMosca. This is what keep us different to our competitors in the market.
Okay? I think if you have to envision our end-of-line solutions are often behind in a whole manufacturing line. Very high investment, and these lines run at high speeds or medium speeds, and every element of those lines have to work. So if those end-of-line systems stop working, the entire factory line will stand. And this is why we sell the uptime, which is not only important for our machines, but the entire production flow.